Hello traders, how are you guys doing? Hope you are all great. Hope you are doing well in the market. You are welcome once again to our YouTube channel. My name is Emeka, and as you are aware, I'm a forex trader, and my vision and goal is to help upcoming traders to become successful in and profitable in the forex industry. All right, so today I want to present you with another video, useful content that will help to further improve your trading. Please, you do well to look at other of our videos. If you want to be good, take time, sit down with each of our videos, look at them, view our videos, practice what you learn from our videos on a demo account, and over time, when you see some level of consistency, I tell you, you can now start to trade live. You will see success. Okay, everything good takes time. Do not give up. All right, so please, I would like to ask that you kindly subscribe to our channel. If you are a new visitor to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, and so that you can also subscribe to our channel, also like our videos, and also share our videos with your friends and other traders, so that they can also benefit from what you are learning free of charge from our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell on this video so that you can be able to be alerted when new videos are released. Okay, now today we want to look at a very important topic, which is maximizing your profits. Okay, best profit taking methods in forex trading. All right, now when you are trading in the forex market and you don't know how to lock in your profits, you will just be walking like elephant and having result like ant, as it is said proverbially. All right, so you would need to know how to lock your profits, so that you are not taking profit too soon, or taking it too early, or taking it too late, so that you would be successful in your trading. All right, now what is the importance of a proper trade management? Profit taking is the same as proper trade management involves risk management and profit taking. You need to know how to manage your trades so that you can be able to maximize the benefits of your trade. Okay, successful forex traders leave a bad trade very early, quickly. They leave a losing trade quickly, and they leave a profitable trade slowly. Successful forex traders leave a profitable trade very slowly and leave a losing trade very quickly. All right, so if you don't know how to manage your trades, you will keep giving back your profits to the market, and you won't reap the benefits of your trading edge. Every trading edge has a benefit. All right, but if you do not know how to manage your trade, your losers well and your winners well, you would not know how to maximize your profits. Okay, now there are two common mistakes that you make when you take profits. Number one, you take profits too soon. Okay, when a trade starts going to your favor, most traders are quick to lock in, to take profits and to leave the trade. No, when a trade is going in your favor, you need to start thinking, how far can this trade go? How far can it go? How can I systematically reap the full benefits, full potential of this trade? When you take profit too soon, you are truncating the benefit, the potential benefits that you can reap from a trade. Okay, so an effective trade management and take profit method should be very vital, and it should be a very vital part of your trading plan. You might just be leaving money on the table if you are not using a good profit taking methodology. If you are taking profit too soon, you might be leaving money on the table. Also, another mistake that forex traders make is that they take profit too late. I've seen cases when I was coming up in this business. I've seen cases when I enter a trade, and due to greed, I'll project a very far TP level, and instead of me to take out some profits as partial profits, I want to the full lot size that I've put in to get to my final TP. And what happens? Maybe a news is just released, a fundamental news that may just be released, and all your profits are cleared. The price reverse, and all your profits are gone. So you need to stop taking profits too late. Neither too early nor too late. So in this video, you're going to learn the best ways to take profits. So there are several profit methodologies, several ways to take profits used by traders across the world. Number one, Single take profit method, in the sense that you set your TP target, you set one TP target, one stop loss, a stop loss target, your stop loss, and a TP target, single TP target, and the price either hit your stop loss or hit your TP target. Now, single take profit methods are basically used by traders who aim for a very short TP target, like 1 is to 1.5 hour or 1 is to 2 hour, very short, and they just take profit at 1 is to 2 hour or 1 is to 3 hour. All right, so those are single TP target. But if you want to go for 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 6 hour, or 1 is to 9 hour, okay, you need to know how to systematically take profits in bits. The single take profit method might not work for when you are aiming a higher level of TP target. Okay, so you also have multiple take profit targets, in which case profits are taken at different areas, at different points in the market as the price continues to move in your favor. Okay, we'll discuss that later in detail. Also, we have a stop loss trailing method, in the sense that you do not take partial profits. All you do is to move your stop loss. As price continues to go in your favor, you keep on moving your stop loss, trailing your stop loss. It's also another way used by traders or to take profit. You also have the halfway take profit method, okay, whereby you have two TP targets. Once price, you have, maybe if you are looking at getting 100 pips in profit, now when price moves 50 pips, you lock in, you take out 50% of your profits, okay, and now move stop loss to your to break even. And then when the remaining 50%, the remaining 50% of your position now goes, you are hoping that the remaining 50% of your position goes to hit your final TP level. That's the halfway take profit method. Now there's also the triple scale out method, in the sense that if your take profit point is 100 pips or 90, let's say 90 pips, and now you take profit TP1 at 30 pips, TP2 at 60 pips, and TP3 at 90 pips. So you divide your take profit targets into 3, and then you take profits at each point, TP1, TP2, TP3, at each point of the three locations. Okay, now the 80-20 method is a situation whereby you remove 80% of your position in profits when price moves 20% in your favor, okay, and then you allow the remaining you allow the remaining 20% to move to final TP target. Okay, you take out 80% of your position when price moves 20% into your TP target, and now you allow the remaining 20% of your position to hit final TP target. That is the 80-20 method. We're going to see them in chart now. Okay, this is the first one, the single take profit method, in the sense that here, this is your entry, this is my chart, this is your entry point, okay, this is your stop loss, okay, and now you are expecting price to hit this point. Now you don't take profit, you don't move your stop loss until price hits the final. And in this case now, price was able to hit your final TP target, but this is not always the case. Sometimes price might move and now reverse and come back to hit your stop loss. So this single TP method, take profit method, might not be the best for you if you are expecting to reap a high risk to reward target. The single take profit method is better if you are going for 1:2 TP point, or maximum 1:3 risk to reward level. Anything above 1:3 risk to reward level, the single take profit method might not be ideal for you, because your win rate will reduce. The farther your take profit target, the lower your win rate. Okay, you need to know that. Why? The nearer your take profit target, the higher your win rate. So you need to have a balance of your take profit target and your win rate. Okay, and your take profit target and your risk to reward level and your win rate. You need to know how to manage that, or how to balance that in order to be profitable, or else you'll just be stressing yourself and not seeing the result. Okay, so this is the single take profit target method. Now the other one is the halfway TP method. All right, now this is our target. All right, this is our target. Okay, is our target, our final TP target. Now we divide our TP target into two levels. This is 50% of your TP target. Price moves into 50% of your TP target. You take out 50% of your position in profit, and then you either move stop loss to break even. You move stop loss to break even here. All right, this is your entry. You move stop loss to break even. This is your stop loss. Now you now expect the remaining 50% to move and hit your final TP target. This is also okay, especially if you are going for higher TP target. Now the next one is the triple scale out method. In this case, you divide your TP target into 3. This is your entry, this is your stop loss, this is your TP1, TP2, TP3. You divide your TP target into 3. You take out first profit, your first profit here, like 30 or 30 something percent of your profit out, okay, in this place at this your first TP level. Now price moves further, you take out another 32 or 33%, 32% or 33% out in this at this point, okay, position out. Now the remaining 33%, okay, will be taken out at this point, which is your final TP level. All right, so when you take out the first position out, you might have to break even, okay, move your stop loss to entry, and now expect that price continues to move to your favor. This is a triple scale out method, and it's all depends on your choice. All right, depends on your choice and your trading strategy. Depends on your trading. The profit take profit method you employ or you use or adopt is dependent on your type of trading strategy that you have. Now this is the 80-20 TP method. Here is your entry and this is your stop loss. Now here is 20%. Price moves 20% in your favor, so you take out 80% of your position in profit, okay, and expect that, and you break even, and expect that the remaining 80% of your position, the remaining 20% of your position moves and hit your final TP target. This is another method to take profit. Okay, so now what do I advise as a better way to take your profits? Now there is no hard and fast rule to this. It all depends on your trading strategy. If you are going for a low TP target level, like if you are going for a 1:2 risk to reward level, then a single take profit target is okay. All right, you don't need to start going for harder. You don't need to start taking out some of your positions before TP targets. All right, if you are going for 1:2, you need to aim for a single TP method, single take profit target. If you're going for 1:3, you might also leave your position to hit TP target. But anything above 1:3 risk to reward level, you might want to take out some positions out in profits before you break even, before you expect price in anticipation to hit your final TP level. All right, your take profit target should be determined by your higher time frame trading and final market structure. While planning your take profit levels, also take into consideration the presence or absence of oppositions in your line of trade. Okay, for those of us that are going for higher TP level, like sometimes I've seen I've gotten trades over 1:10 take profits. Okay, some of my trades, which I will show you later, have hit 1:10, even 1:20 risk to reward level. All right, but I take partial profits before. In the line of my trades, I take partial profits at strategic locations, which is determined by market structure and possible price reversals from those zones. All right, so the opposition you can anticipate could be in form of internal demand zones on the part of your trade. If you are in a sell trade, there could be some internal demand zones in the line of your trade. So before you get to such demand zones, when you are in a sell trade, you might need to take out some partial profits, because price might react from the demand zone and come back to take out your position. Okay, now if you are in a buy trade, you should be looking out for internal supply zones that might be an opposition to price movement in your favor. So you need to take out some partial profits before such zones. All right, so always take partial profits and break even if you wish to go for more profit target. This is good for your emotion. However, ensure you are not taking profits too soon or too late. Just find the right balance. So please, okay, I've seen traders that have predicted the right location, the right direction of the market, but due to greed, market is moving to your favor, giving you some profits. Instead of them to take out some portion and break even, all right, they want the full position to move to hit their final level. All right, so no, when you take partial profits, your emotions, you become calm, you become calm and happy. Okay, and break even, you have taken some, the market has given you something, take small from it. Okay, at least take out the cost of that trade. Okay, the risk you are putting on, take some portion out while you now rest and allow the market to move either in your favor or come back to hit your break even. Okay, let me show you one of the trades we took. Okay, this trade is about one, is close to this should be, I think, 1:9 or thereabout, 1:9 or 1:7, 1:7 or thereabout, TP target. Okay, now price continued to move. Now this is actually market structure. You see, internal, you can look at the mitigation. All right, price, my final TP target was here, 1:7, I think. Okay, 1:7, and we got in here. This was our take profit, this was our entry point, and this was our stop loss. Okay, price broke structure. There was a change of structure here, change of character here, and we waited for a mitigation of this supply zone here, and there was a sell limit here. Price came back and got us in here, and then did not even go close to our stop loss. Okay, came back here, took us into the market, and continue beautiful price action, continue to mitigate zones. These are potential entries. Okay, continue to mitigate the internal supply zones, and price continue. I think I took out some portion. This was my TP1. Okay, I usually have two or three TP targets. Okay, some trades I have 2 TP target levels, and my TP1 is mostly 1:3. Okay, 1:3 is my TP1. Then my TP2 most times at least 1:6. My TP2 is at least 1:6, 1:7. My TP1 is at least 1:3 risk to reward ratio, sometimes 1:4. Okay, my TP2 most times is around 1:6 to 1:7. All right, so that's why in this trade now, this was 1:7, I think. Okay, now I took out my partial profit here, 1:3. Then we broke even. We took our stop loss to break even, and then price continued to move. Okay, and now hit our final TP target. Okay, price continued to move before it hit our TP target. So at this point, if you are actually a trader that does trailing of your stop loss, when each of these supply zones, internal supply zones, are mitigated, you could move your stop loss. If you don't want to take partial profit, you could move your stop loss above the mitigated supply zone and continue like that. Keep on moving your stop loss as this, because once price has mitigated and created a new structure, broken structure, break of structure, you can be assured that price is very unlikely to go back above the structure. So if you want to trail your stop loss in this case, once you have seen a new break of structure and mitigation of the internal supply zone, you could move your stop loss above the structure that has been mitigated, the zone that has been mitigated, while you continue like that. So when price came here, there was actually an equal low here, created an equal low here, and now price with speed, with a strong momentum, sell momentum, came down to hit. This was actually, what you saw here now, this was actually the final position that got to hit final, that was close to hitting final profit. I have taken profits, I have taken partials before I took this screenshot. I've taken several partials. Okay, so now this is very important way you can take profit. So here now I got 1:7, and I was able to take profits. I took my profit at 1:3, and now came down, allowed the remaining position to hit my final take profit. So this is one way you can maximize your trades. You can maximize the full potentials of your trade. Why some people in our VIP group, some of the traders in our VIP group, they just stop here. They took their full position out here. That is okay. Okay, that is okay. Very okay. So they go for 1:3 and they don't move further. They have a single take profit target of 1:3. They take out their profit at 1:3 and they wait for another signal. All right. So, but for me, I go for higher TP target level, but I ensure that I take partials. I take partial profits, okay? And if I see a good structure forming, I might want to trail my stop loss until I get to a higher to my final TP position. So please, my brothers and sisters and fellow traders, you need to pay more attention to trade management, okay? A strategy that is good, a good strategy might not pay you well if you are not managing your trades well. All right, a good strategy in the hand of a poor trade manager can turn out to be a losing strategy. Okay, you need to maximize the full potentials of your trade, because good trades most times don't come frequently. Good trades do not come all the time. So when you see a good trade that has good potentials, your goal should be to maximize the full potential of the trade, so that you can get all that you need, all that you can get from it. But you need to do it strategically, without greed. Ensure you take partials. All right, ensure you have broken even, and ensure that you are not greedy. You take partial, break even, while you are expecting price to move to your favor, because nobody can predict the market. No trader on this earth, on the planet, can predict the market direction 100% of the time. So when you see a good trade, you don't know if it will continue that way. Expectantly, when you've done your market analysis, yes, there is a high chance, there's a probability, there's a high chance that your trade will continue to move in your favor and hit your final take profit level. But there is no 100% guarantee. So that is why you need to ensure that you pay yourself. Traders, pay yourself. Learn to pay yourself. Okay, the market gives you some profit, take some out, and ensure that it helps your emotions and helps you to be happy and emotionally stable while you're expecting for more. Now, thank you for viewing our videos. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share it with others, and we have a free Telegram group where we send some market analysis, okay, market chart analysis, okay. So you can see the link to the free Telegram group at the description box of this video. Please don't, if you come to our Telegram group, you're going to see our videos there. Okay, you're going to see our videos in our Telegram group. Okay, do not allow scammers. There are some scammers that have used some of our our email profile picture, our logo, and also our logo and name to form their own Telegram channel. All right, but do not fall for such scammers. Okay, we won't ask you to give us money. We don't ask. We can never DM. We don't DM you first. We don't DM you first. We don't ask you to give us money for anything. Okay, we only provide mentorship trainings and also VIP signals. All right, so we don't run any Ponzi schemes. Do not get scammed. Don't get scammed. We don't run Ponzi schemes. Okay, we don't run such. All right, so do not get scammed. Do not get scammed. We don't DM you first. Do not get scammed. All right, do not get scammed. Thank you so much for viewing. Please continue to support us. More videos and useful contents will continue to come your way. Do have a profitable and successful trading week, and continue to develop yourself. Thank you.